A study by the Islamic Council of Victoria on Islamophobia has shown that the most anti-Muslim content on Twitter originates from India. The ICV is a Muslim organization based in Australia representing 270,000 community members, which found that Indian Twitter generates 55.12% of Islamophobic content. The study found that the comments of politicians can have a considerable impact on the prevalence of Islamophobia. 3 countries together were found to post 86% of the anti-Muslim remarks on the microblogging platform. The ICV found almost 4 million anti-Muslim posts made during this period and only 14.83% of the hate content was removed. The study showed that content came mainly from the UK, the US, and India during the years 2017 to 2019. India-based social media users blamed BJP for the spread and amplification of discrimination and hate, according to TRT World.